Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today is Elizabeth's birthday. We went out to the lake. We've been paddle boarding all day. You got my lake here. So came back and I baked her a cake in the ZGrills 700D3. That's right, guys. You know, you make all your stuff on the pellet grill. You feed your family on the pellet grill. Why not bake them a birthday cake on the pellet grill? Huh? Something like this, maybe? I did a butter pecan birthday cake for Elizabeth. I've done cakes in the pellet grills before. I've done the sheet pan. I've even made a cake on the Blackstone griddle, and it was fantastic. Super easy. I just used apple pellets, something low smoke. It doesn't really get a smoky flavor, but you know, hey, a lot of those offset guys, you know, they call the pellet grill an easy bake oven. Well, there you go. Easy bake, butter pecan cake done in the ZGrill. Let me show you real quick how it's done. I might do a taste test. We'll see what time we're going to eat this. All right, here's how you make it. Okay, so we're just doing a box cake mix. Just follow the instructions on the package. Cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs. Blend it up. Alright, then we're just going to add this to the pans. 9-inch pans I'm using. Alright, and there we go. Try to get them even as you can. Now we're going to put them in the ZGrills pellet grill at 325 degrees. We've got the ZGrills rolling at 325. This is where you find out if your grill's level. We'll find out here. If they start rolling too far back, we can adjust them with some foil, but I think they'll be all right. All right, 20 to 30 minutes. It says 22 to 27 minutes on the box. 325. We'll just keep an eye on them. It's been 23 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Yeah, they look pretty good. Bake's coming out clean. Yeah, I'd say they're done. All right, I'm gonna go get them in the house, let them cool off. All right, let them rest about 10 minutes and we'll take them out of the pan onto a cooling rack. Forgot to video, so I put some buttercream in the middle. Had a little bit come off the top when I was flipping it over, but that's okay. Let me get this thing, get some icing on this thing and have it ready for Elizabeth's birthday. Oh boy, so how easy was that? I just did the whole exit video without pushing play. So there it is. Look at that. Delicious. Delicious. I have a bite out of it. Alright, I'll take another bite. Sometimes that just happens. Happy birthday, Elizabeth. Alright. That's really good. We do have ice cream inside. I didn't want to bring it out here because it'd melt. Anyway, for those of you who love cooking everything in the pellet grill like I do, bake a cake for somebody, yourself, anyone. Guys, go into an event, bake a cake, buy a box cake, follow the instructions. Same temps as the oven. Just keep an eye on it. This one took 23 minutes. And I got to tell you, cake out of a pellet grill. It's the only way to do it, right? Anyway, thanks for checking this out. Go bake a cake. I hope you have a great day.